Homestead Handyman here. Wow, what we've done here is added this. This used to be the goat house. And so I've added this enclosure on here so that we can have chickens in here. And now that we can grow them out because we have chickens here and we have chickens back in there, and those are for those are our layers. And then we've had meat chickens in here and a mixture, and then our next set of layers. However, here's the deal. You can see how dark it is in there, and we're growing out these new chickens here, and they need some light. We've had a lot of cloudy weather, overcast, and I don't know if you can tell how dark it is in here, and they come in here and even outside. Well, this camera is making it show brighter. So what I've done is I've got this light bulb. Let's have a look at it here. It's pretty crazy looking. See that? And it's a grow light. This is an LED bulb that uses 36 watts, has good heat dissipation, 25,000 hour lifespan, and it emits a full spectrum wavelength. Now let me turn it on in here so you can kind of see how it is in here. Pretty dark and stuff. Well, I noticed that after a couple of days of turning it on, the chickens are all happy. They're all in here hanging out and just jumping around. So it seems to be working. Let me turn the light on and we'll see what we got here. I'm going to put this down for a second. Okay. You can see what it's like in here. They're actually coming to run over here now. Now they want to eat. Come on, chickies. So if you look over here at this light, I don't know how this is going to look, but that thing is pretty wild looking, pretty space age, pretty transformer looking. And it has worked out great. I've been using it for a couple of weeks for this application. Now this is a grow light for plants, but it seems to work really well. Look, they're all getting excited. Just like that. This is a 36 watt grow light by a company called SG. It's an SG LED. And I wanted to use it for the chickens to see how this was going to work. In the fall, I'm going to try it in the greenhouse for some crops when I get rolling with that, when we have the shorter, the sun's up less. And so we're going to see how that works out. Also, I think it might be good in the winter time because the chicks stop laying a lot in the winter when the days get shorter. So I'm going to give it a try in there and see how that works, because it looks like they get very active and it keeps them going. So we'll see how that's going to affect the egg laying. Okay, so this is the Homestead Handyman. If you like my stuff, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and give me the old thumbs up. This is a Homestead Handyman out.